Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Instagram. So, if I uh, go for settings and privacy and go for account center and go for personal details and go for in this account ownership, and if I deactivate my account, okay, or if you go for delete account, whatever. So go for continue. I need to put my password here and just choose a reason and deactivate your account. Okay, then if I deactivate your account, if you do deactivate your account, so all you need to do is just go for in this add account or switch account. You have to just put your email address and password and just go for login. After that, you can reactivate your account again. So that's it. This is how you can reactivate your account. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.